Welcome to our most recently completed project in Shore Crest. Over here we renovated the kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and we built a pool. Let me show you the kitchen. This kitchen seems like a simple straight up kitchen renovation, but it was more complicated because we had a lot of structural elements over here. This is a structural column that we couldn't remove. We used to have a wall over here, an exterior door over there, which we enclosed. We demolished the wall to create this open kitchen concept. We used to have a small window over there, and we opened it up and installed this sliding door and that cute deck out there. The details here are beautiful. I love this curve over here that we created with the flush LED lighting. This kitchen is really seamless, has everything you need, a lot of counter space, a lot of storage. The details here are beautiful. I love it. Let me show you the bathroom. Right now we're right off the kitchen at the secondary bathroom. This is the bathroom that the guests use, so the client really wanted something that will pop. So we installed this orange tiles on the floors. We painted the walls orange halfway to match with the tiles. We installed a new vanity, toilet, tub, shower glass, and these beautiful fixtures. I love this bathroom. Now we're in the master bedroom. Over here we used to have a small window as well, and we demolished the exterior wall and installed a sliding door that leads you into the pool area, which I'll show you in a minute. Let me show you the master bathroom in the meanwhile. I love this master bathroom because it's very clean, seamless, gives a spa feeling with these very unique tiles on the floors and walls. We installed a double vanity over here, toilet, and we have the double shower head over here. Welcome to the pool area, my favorite area of the house. We installed this beautiful deck so the clients can entertain and host. Following by this beautiful lounging area. They can tan, they can enjoy the outdoor. And over here we have the pool, which seems like a simple pool, but it was more complicated because we have a very small space over here and we had to comply with the setbacks and the codes that the municipality requires. I think this pool really ties the whole house together. The project was challenging, but we got it done and the clients are satisfied, so that's what's important.